So, happy bonfire night, people! It is the 5th of November, and damn, they are already starting. Just before I set this going, set of fireworks got set off. And I'm just there thinking, it's a bit damn bright for fireworks, don't you think? Because it's still bright out, but it's bonfire night, so have fun. I wanted to say have fun, guys. I also wanted to say that if you are going out tonight or you are setting off your own fireworks, just please be aware that neighbours or yourself might have pets that don't like fireworks, so just be aware of that. Have a bit of consideration for the animals and the people around you that don't like fireworks. Be safe, guys. Don't do anything stupid. Please don't go causing any fires, and don't go calling the fire brigade out just to throw fireworks at them. That's not funny. It's not funny. It's not funny. Right? So, yeah, just have fun, enjoy it, and happy bonfire night, guys. My question for you today is, how early are you guys planning to start planning or thinking about Christmas? So that's it for me today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya.
Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene. Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene. Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire.